doing nothing. Lucy! 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 Come here, Luce! You want a biscuit?
It's stories you can touch. Hands you can feel. It's trending. It's happening right now.
It's news in action.
News Channel 9's first.
Wow, Luce, you were playing with me. Fuck Larry.
Coming this fall.
God damn.
Tyson, way out.
All right, let me see what you got so far. Jesus Christ, what are you taping me
That's
for?
okay.
Lucy!
Tyson isn't
Come on,
really in
Luce.
the game. He's in it for the post game.
Luce!
What's that?
Kids aren't always great.
From Itchin.
Stop.
We love 'em
Lucy!
That's what family memories are all about. Treat your family to an all-American big beef cheeseburger.
I've been fixed.
Just $5.
Lucy!
Come celebrate.
Don't worry about it. You can't get pregnant. I've been fixed.
This portion of News Channel 9 is sponsored by Fox Dealership.
Lucy! Come here, Larry. You want a biscuit? You want some peanut butter?
Orange Nation Studio. This is News Channel 9 Sports.
Luce!
Lucy!
Good opportunity. Everything we signed up to do is
That's fucking stupid dogs. Fuck you. I won't play with you again.
Friday night.
Fucking fat ass fuck
That was
anyways.
the Orange head coach Scott Schaefer this morning as the countdown to the season opener now is less than a week. Syracuse begins the 2014 campaign
I know.
on Friday night
What the hell?
inside the Dome against Villanova. That will mark the start of year 2 under Coach Schaefer, year 2 in the Atlantic Coast Conference, and year 2 as a quarterback. Now, the goal for this season is at least 8 wins, or more than a year ago. Long term, though, the goal is to compete for an ACC championship and bring Syracuse football back to the national prominence it enjoyed in the late 80s and throughout the 90s. Before any of that can happen, though, the Orange has to take care of business against the Wildcats. That's why, even
Come here,
though
Luce.
there may be
Come on.
momentum surrounding SU
Come on,
football
you want a
right
biscuit?
now,
You
Scott
want some
Schaefer is simply
pepperoni?
taking things one day at a time.
Want some pepper? Oh, come here, Larry.
And it's been an
Come
epic
here,
failure.
Larry.
So I try not to look too far forward.
Yeah,
And I know
boy.
it sounds like coach speak, but it's the truth. I just try to win every single day. Now, I have a lot of sleepless nights going into the opener. I have a lot of sleepless nights going into the next phase of whatever the program's in. You know, going into the, my second season and stuff. I don't like it's right underneath my nose.
Now, one other note from Scott Schaefer's news conference today. Starting offensive lineman in Deville
Give it a try. Run after him.
back in time for the second game of the season on September
Give it a try.
13th.
Run after him.
And just a reminder, be
Come on,
sure
I
to
wanna see
join
it.
us this Wednesday night for our season preview edition of Orange Nation. We'll go one-on-one with Coach Schaefer and senior team captain Sean Hickey.
Larry, I
Former
smell
Orange
my ass to see if I'm in
Chris
heat.
Hickey take the team down.
Then Lucy will roll it if it thinks it's dead.
Wednesday night right here.
I remember I was laying on my back one time.
The New York Jets open up
Lucy was
on
little.
September 7th
I
against
farted.
the Raiders, and when
She
they
tried
do,
to dig in my
Geno
ass through my
Smith
jeans.
will be the man under center. And Coach
She did,
Rex
remember
Ryan
that?
officially named Smith his Week 1 starter after last night's
All right,
preseason
shut
game
it
with
off.
the Giants.